Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am back with another Accenture job update video, and in today's video we are going to cover an amazing opportunity for freshers in Accenture's order to cash profile. What is the job role? How you guys can apply for this role? What are the eligibility criteria you guys have to meet in order to apply for this role? Each and everything I am going to cover in this video, so stay put and watch the video till the very end. Before we proceed, I would like to talk about my channel. On this channel, I make videos on job update, intuitives, skill development and MS Excel. So if you guys are interested in any of these topics, consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, great. Let's talk about the job role now. So the role for which Accenture is hiring is order to cash processing, collection operations. So your designation will be new associate because you are a fresher, and your job location will be Gurgaon. The minimum qualification they are looking for is graduation. So if you guys have completed graduation in any stream, you guys can apply for this role. Minimum experience required is 0 years and maximum experience required for this role is 1 year. So if you have more than 1 year of experience, you can't apply for this role. Okay, great. Now let's talk about what would you do in this role. So you will be aligned with Accenture's financial operation vertical and will be helping them in determining financial outcomes by collecting operational data and reports. You will also be analyzing and reconciling transactions. The order to cash processing team provides services to client and organization by helping them in the areas of optimization working capital, providing real-time visibility and end-to-end management of revenue and cash flow. Order to cash team also help in streamlining the billing processes. Okay, great. Now let's talk about what are the skills they are looking for in an ideal candidate. They are looking for a candidate who is adaptable and flexible. Second is your ability to perform under pressure. Third one is your problem solving skills. Fourth one is your detail orientation. And your last one is ability to establish strong client relationship. So if you guys have all these skill set and you mention them in your CV, chances of shortlisting of your CV will get higher. Okay. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities. So in this role, you are required to solve the routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Second, your primary interaction is within your team and your direct supervisor. You will be given detailed instruction on all the tasks that need to be carried out, and the decisions that you will make impact your work. You will need to be well versed with being involved in the day-to-day business and use it while discussing with stakeholders. You will be working closely with project members to effectively deliver on the requirements. You will be an individual contributor as part of a team. Please note, for this role, you might need to work in rotational shift as well. So if you are not comfortable with rotational shifts, please do not apply for this role. Okay, great. Please go through job description and roles and responsibility 2 or 3 times because the question will be asked based on these requirements only. Okay, great. Now let's move ahead and see how you guys can apply for this role. So in the description of this video, I have given you one link. When you will click on that link, this web page will open. What you have to do, just click here on apply now. This new web page will open. So if you guys have already registered with Accenture web portal, you guys can simply put your email ID and password, sign in and apply for this role. Just in case you are visiting Accenture portal for the very first time and you haven't created your account, what you can do is just drag down. Here you will see start application. You have to just click here. This new web page will open. Here you have to provide your email ID and verify it. Post that, you have to provide your name, last name, your country and create your account. Once you have created your account, you just have to log in again and apply for this role. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me in the comment section. And for preparing for this role, you guys can do the preparation for this interview by watching order to cash playlist on my channel. I have made multiple videos which will help you crack this interview. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.